Yum.
Yeah. He had some.
Okay, so we haven't shown you any of these, but we have a wish it. Okay, so would you like to open it? It's very light.
Ooh, scratch tickets. I guess we win. 15. I would have wanted. Oh, we would have won $21,000. 9 plus 7 would have won 210. Oh, 10 plus 6. Would have won $21. What's a jack and ace?
JQK is 10, ace is 11.
Oh, good. So I got $2.
Ace is 11. Jack
is 10.
That's
21.
That's 21.
Higher than 17.
Oh, I thought it had to be 17.
No. So I won $2.
Oh.
6 and
Okay, we'll let you know if we win anything.
ooh, 18. That's high.
We only had one winner. Well, we won $2, so we're gonna buy another one with it.
Woohoo!
Okay. Okay. So. What are you doing?
Making a noise. Sorry.
So, we decided today we're going to build this. It's a gingerbread
what is it?
train. I've never built a train.
I've never heard of building a gingerbread train.
Okay. So we have voila, all of that. So we have peppermint candies.
Look at this rip off. This is all air right here.
Oh my goodness. What do you want for $5? We have these and the star of the show. I almost said the star of the show. And then we're gonna do it on this plate, I think. So, or what plate should we do it on?
Whatever plate you want.
Probably the red one.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get building. This should be interesting because I really don't have the patience to build stuff, so let's see.
These are directions.
You're being serious?
Well, it's on the box, right?
Do you need directions?
They tell you what to do first.
You cut the icing. Need the icing pouch for 1 minute.
No, you break these apart.
Well, yeah. You don't need directions for that.
Oh my gosh. I need it. You don't need it as much as I do. I need it more than you.
This one's gonna be hard.
Don't mess it up.
I'm really scared.
Did it break? Let me see. It's okay.
We'll have to glue this piece together.
Yeah, Hannah messed it up.
That was hard to break.
Well, it was all your fault.
Not really.
What the?
What? There's a hole in it?
Yeah.
That's janky.
When you expect $5.
I don't know if this stays like this. It's not in the picture. Neither are these. What the hell is this?
Yeah, they are.
What? No, that's...
14 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So I break them in pieces?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, these are the wheels. These are our directions.
And I turned it into a 15 piece.
I didn't mean to. This is gonna be so hard. Oh my god. What am I getting myself into? I can't even handle regular gingerbread houses. So, what is that? Oh, that's breaking it.
So break it and then prepare your engine. Set the 2 wheels aside.
These are the 2 wheels. These are...
Start with the 3. Start with 3 rounded engine pieces.
We have 4.
Just start with 3 though.
Oh, okay.
Place a dot of icing in the middle of 2 of them. Sandwich 3 pieces together. Because you're gonna make.
Supposed to do it on this?
I don't know. It don't matter.
Here, let's.
Do you want to?
No, I want to put the pieces in it so there's no crumbs on our workspace. It's a little tilty, but we just rested those there. And this one. But you know, we're doing great.
It is what it is.
Yep. And we don't know what was it, cow? It's on this one.
Cow catcher.
Yeah, we don't know what a cow catcher is.
That must be the front of it. I mean, where you catch cows with that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like, move out of the way.
We're decorating our lovely gingerbread house.
If we had, like, probably, like, something that wasn't $5.
Well, we're cheap.
I'm just putting icing wherever I want. You're just gonna drop them on them. Ooh. Oh, let me just. Yeah, do you want me to do that in the middle here?
On the top?
Or do you want to put a peppermint patty in the middle?
Let's do
or
that.
Not a peppermint patty, it's just a
do
peppermint.
do the whole thing. And we'll put a peppermint. And then we'll put more stuff around it. Okay, ready?
Sleeping. Oh my, it's leaning so bad.
Oh, our peppermints. Oh, shit!
I think we need to re-glue it. Oh yeah, there's slime.
Okay.
You want to re-glue it?
Yeah. So this is our gingerbread house.
No, it's not.
I mean our gingerbread train. It's gonna break soon. So it's Vlogmas Day 21. Right?
Yep. Snowman and his hat.
So we just finished watching, what was it called? Bird something? It's a Netflix original.
Bird Box.
Bird Box. It was really good. I recommend. So now we're gonna go to bed. And so thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22. Bye guys.